This is Vernette Carbon, also known as Segment Rael. Welcome back to Natural Living. And yes, it is definitely true. I have not shampooed my hair in over 9 years. And yes, I'm smiling because you're probably thinking that, oh my God, she's just nasty. But no, I got you. I said shampoo. I didn't say wash, right? What I do instead of using shampoo, because I mean, let's just talk about the shampoo first before I get into it. Shampoos. Have you checked the ingredients on these things lately? Man, the ingredients on the shampoos are insane. Like words that you just can't even pronounce. I don't want that in my scalp. The skin is the largest organ, and I don't want that garbage going through my skin. If anybody could suggest to me a 100% natural shampoo, well then, I'll probably try it. But nah, I'm happy with what I'm using. If I'm going to shampoo, I'm going to use hibiscus flowers and make my own shampoo. But anyway, what I do as far as washing my hair is I use apple cider vinegar and baking soda. That's it. That's what I've been using for the past 9 years. The apple cider vinegar, it works for me, and the baking soda. And I only wash my hair once a month. No, again, don't call me nasty for that. My scalp doesn't itch. Why? Because I use a spray that I make. I don't grease my scalp at all. So that's why I don't need to be washing my hair. See, this is a protective style, they call it. I just call it a fun style. I don't even call it protective, because if I have to go out, yeah, just take this, loose it out, and then, I have my waves. See, here are some pictures of my waves. My hair is usually soft and moisturized from the two natural products, which I'm going to discuss in a bit, that I use after washing my hair with the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda. And I use a lot of shea butter. I know a lot of people talk about, oh, I'm not putting butters in my hair, but it works for me. So I usually have my hair in like 7 plaits. See, there's a picture with me with the 7 plaits, 3 plaits in the front, 4 in the back. I like to just have it big plaits. But this week I decided to do 3 plaits. And sometimes I keep the 7 plaits, I keep them for the whole month, and then I wash it. The 3 plaits, I don't think this is gonna last for the whole month, so I say 2 weeks, and then I'll take it out and then plait it again, change the part, because you don't keep the same part. You have to keep changing it, because you'll lose hair if you keep your hair in the same part at the same place all the time. That area would lose hair. I've experienced that. So that's what I do. I just do this. I go around looking like this. I'm gonna be 50 next month. And I go around looking like this. Is like, I look crazy, right? But most people don't believe my age. I don't know how I look, how old I look to you, but most people don't believe my age anyway. But I feel younger than that. I still can't believe I'm gonna be 50 next month. That's insanity. Yeah, but anyway, again, I use baking soda and apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use distilled vinegar. You just keep that in your house all the time, and you're ready to wash it. It just washes everything out clean. Shampoo can't wash the way apple cider vinegar and baking soda washes. And if you're going to be using shea butter like I do, I use shea butter. And I use Nature's Blessings hair grease. The link to that is in the description. That's the bomb. That's the bomb. That's what I use on my hair. I like to use natural things. I don't use a whole bunch of products, and I'm not into that at all. Again, I just use the shea butter. I use the shea butter. I use that pretty much is like a conditioner. And I use the Nature's Blessings grease. It pretty much, puts a shine on top. Let me come a little closer, you can see. When you put the shea butter first, and then, you put the the Nature's Blessings after. Give it a shine. And in addition to that, it smells really, really good, and it's all natural. Okay, so again, I do not grease my scalp. I don't believe in greasing scalp. I noticed the other races, they don't sit down and grease their scalp. Why black people, quote, indigenous people are always greasing scalp? I don't know. It doesn't work for me. It makes my scalp itch after like a week or so. So I don't do it. So again, if I like in the third week, I feel, you know, maybe I just notice I go like that. I say, oh, time to bring on the tea. I bring on the tea and I spray. And here's the thing about this tea. This tea, it grows your hair. It grows. I get like 2 inches a month, 1.5 to 2 inches. So I'll share some more tips another time. But again, that's what I do. That's all I use in my hair. Again, the Nature's Blessing, the link is in the bottom there. It's really great grease. It's a light hair grease, all natural ingredients, 100%. And the shea butter, you have to get good shea butter. All shea butter is not created equal either. You got to get that stuff from Africa. And that's what I learned from this lady, 21st century woman, is the same thing. You have to get the natural stuff from Ghana, you know, from Africa. You have to. The other stuff is just garbage, you know. So use a good shea butter. And ditch all the other garbage, ditch the shampoo, and it's cheaper to use the apple cider and vinegar and the baking soda. The best bet is to use the apple cider vinegar with the mother, but it's more expensive from Bragg's. You know, it's more expensive, so you could just use any any apple cider vinegar, and or you could use distilled vinegar and mix with the baking soda. But anyway, that's all I do. Let's go back to nature. Wash your hair with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. If it's really, really dirty, you just add apple cider vinegar, baking soda, lime, and a little salt. And it'll wash out everything, even for dreadlocks. It will clean that dreadlocks like crazy. You're using butters. You can't use shampoo in your hair if you're using butters on your hair. It's not going to wash out. It's going to sit there and they're going to mix with the sebum. And it's going to look white and nasty. Yeah, you don't want that. So, but I'm just trying to go back fully to nature, and that's what it is. If I could come up with an all-natural, do-it-yourself leave-in conditioner, yeah, I'll work on that. The shea butter and the Nature's Blessing. And you walk around, people be like, oh, your hair smells so good. And then you use the bamboo spray. Oh, you walk, you know, your hair, I get that. Your hair smells so good. Thank you. But anyway, that's it for now. That's it. So I'll share the next video. Probably some kind of food thing. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll do response to somebody else's video. But I'm gonna keep up with this. You know, I'm usually really busy working on different projects and all of that. But I'll keep up with this, and tell your friends if you enjoy this information, it's beneficial to you, you want your hair growing. It's not about just you know, putting stuff on the outside. I forgot to mention that it's what you eat. I eat 80%. I would say 80. It was like 60, but now it's like 80% fruits and little veggies. I love my kale and spinach. I more do ground provisions and stuff like that. I have a video on ground provision. I think that was the video before this one about an alternative to eating wheat. You know, that's what we usually do. I do a lot of sweet potatoes. It helps to keep the skin young also. But too much of anything they say is not good. But I love me my sweet potatoes. I eat that. I eat that every day. I'm going to be honest. The purple ones, I love them. I eat them. But anyways, what you put on the inside also, I'm learning that because I went through a lot with my health. I had health issues since I was about 5 years old. So, and then once they put you on medication, it's like it's over. You get like the side effects. And then when they give you something else for that side effect, and that thing causes another side effect, that's what happened to me over the years. So I ended up sick, you know, a lot of things, anemia, fibroids, so many things. I'll share those stories with you, and how I was able to get rid of a lot of illnesses, diseases. We going back to nature in every which way we can. All right, and that was it. I hope this was beneficial to you. Thank you so much for watching.